Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get a tech trash in Rust. So what you'll need to do is basically go and explore like abandoned supermarket, uh, other monuments, auction gas station and etc. There you'll find some military crates, and then you will be able to find some tech trash, but those are kinda hard to find at the auction gas station or other monuments. So how you can get a tech trash the other way is by collecting laptops and CCTV cameras and etc., like all the tech stuff, and go to the recycler, then open it and recycle it, and as you can see that you will get some tech trash. As you can see, we are getting the tech trash. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to guide to everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.